Are you looking for a place where life slows down? Then welcome to this stunning architect design home that combines peace, luxury, and unforgettable ocean views. Join me today as we see Casa Coyote. Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with Krain Luxury Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you my newest luxury listing in the amazing, calm, tranquil spot of Playa Ocotal. And I want you to see what I see from the steps of this home. Take a look. You are perched above it all here. It doesn't really get much better than this. You are located over Playa Ocotal, which is a black sand fisherman's beach. You can see all the fishermen out there. That's where there's a great restaurant called Father Rooster's that's been a staple for, I think, decades now in the area. You can see the islands in the background. Here is your infinity edge pool, and you get to gaze up on this, and you are completely alone up here. You have the peace. For those of my clients a lot of my clients want this, so I think it's gonna go fast. This is Casa Coyote, and if you can see the facade of this home, it's just striking. You can actually see it on the drive up, and it looks like a castle set on the hill. I think the rains are gonna come, so I'm gonna try to get you in before the rains come, but I love days like today. This is bad weather because it's not crystal clear, it's hazy, but it's breezy, and it's just a wonderful, beautiful, tranquil day here in the area. So this is Casa Coyote. Come with me. There's a one-car garage. You'll notice the pavered driveway. This was designed, the owner's family was an architect, and he designed this home for his family, okay? And I think that goes a long way because it shows the love and care and the dream they had in it. I also want you to notice there's so much stuff. The beautiful tile here, this travertine tile in the Versailles style. It's this classic style. This is just an example of the style and caliber you're gonna see. These are Bavolo lanterns. These are, I know because we have those. My husband loves these lanterns. They are hand crafted in New Orleans, and they've made their way down here. So it's this attention to detail you're gonna see throughout. I've not seen another home like it, and it makes me super excited that it's gonna go to one of my amazing clients. So join me, come on in. There's so much to see in this home, you guys. Okay, first I want to explore this amazing living area. Look at this. Are these colors amazing? I don't know, like I said, of another house like this. First of all, you have views just throughout, right? The same travertine floors. Look up at the ceilings. Look, even the ceilings have the detail, right? I love this large dining room table here. Just everything just exudes, magnificence in this amazing, amazing Costa Rica setting. So it's really hard to beat this, in my opinion. Come on over here, look at these countertops. How striking are these? And then, look at this Wolf stove. 6-burner plus griddle dual oven. I was just like, oh my God, I'm in love with this stove. Oversized vent here. This is just beautiful. I love the shade. It's almost like a sage gray, super calming, and I love the gold touch. Speaking of the gold touch, look at this gold farmer sink, this apron sink. Love it, love it. Just amazing attention to detail. And look at this over the island. Just beautiful, after my own heart. And I also love these chairs. This home comes fully furnished, believe it or not. There is a ton of value. They even have matching Wolf microwaves and Wolf's toasters, just so you know, so I don't see that every day. I also love their pantry here. Beautiful pantry, the door just slips aside, and a dual freezer here, and that's perfect because your fish are gonna come right there from that bay. So fresh fish, you can keep it all up here, grill out. This is what so many of my clients, I feel like, are dreaming about when they're dreaming of Costa Rica. So if that's you, give us a call. So I'm gonna save my favorite part for the end, but we're gonna explore some of the homes, or some of the rest of the home, but my favorite part will be the end. First of all, highly coveted this amazing laundry room with the nicest cabinetry I've seen in a laundry room. So storage is not an issue in this house. Many rooms, which is great. I also just love the doors. I think the doors are amazing here. And everything's done in that great color. Exquisite, excellent design. No cookie cutter here. This is an amazing home. This is your inside access to the one-car garage, which is amazing. And then follow me, we're gonna go upstairs. I'll see you up for the 2 bedrooms that are upstairs, but don't worry, the principal bedroom is on the main floor, so no steps involved in that. Okay, here we are in the 2nd level. Come with me. These are your guest bedrooms. I tell you what, either of these could be dueling principal bedrooms in their own right. Vaulted ceilings. Do you see these ceilings? Huge beds here. And then look at these views. These are what your guest will be enjoying. You can literally see the waves crashing on the cliffs. Let's just look out all of these windows. Look at this because I want you to see the view. Look how much privacy you have here. Super rare to see. The only roofs you see here are yours and those in the distance of your neighbors. Also, look at the high quality furniture. Hard to beat this. Flat screen TVs. And then just through this way, you have your closet. Both bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. Done in the just same exquisite style that you would expect. I also love the consistency of this home. Nothing's, cut up. They have the same high-end materials throughout. These are closet doors. You'll see there's a ton of storage here. If you see a door that we don't open, that's because it's another storage closet. And then here's the 2nd bedroom here. Same vaulted ceilings, same absolutely gorgeous, stunning ocean views, and flat screen TV. Take a look at that. Isn't this incredible? Love it. No one's fighting. No one's getting the shaft on any kind of bedroom here. Everyone is living large and luxurious. And then of course here you have your 2nd ensuite bathroom. Okay guys, now join me back downstairs as I show you the favorite part. Okay, here we are in the main living area again. I want to show you the rest of the space that comes with this home. It's just got an amazing blend of indoor and outdoor, lovely private space. Look at this. Doesn't get much better. It's so beautiful, I don't even know where to take you. Let's go here. These are the traditional Costa Rican rocking chairs. I love them. We have them at our house. You don't see them much anymore, but they're just, you feel like you're in Costa Rica. From this home. And look, you're back out here with the views, lovely flowers, lovely pool, all of this. This is a wraparound covered patio here. And you just have lovely plants. The rain takes care of these, beautiful. Look at this. All this is covered, rain or shine. This is your beautiful walkway to your lovely principal bedroom. I also love that it's on the main floor. A lot of my clients want the principal bedroom on the main floor, and sometimes we can't answer that need. Not so with this home. You're here on the main floor, so it's easy, it's comfortable. You have a beautiful sitting area here overlooking the ocean, overlooking the pool if you want your family to play in the pool. I love that this yard here is yours and it's fenced in. This is just an amazing, lovely space. Look at your vaulted ceilings here. Just beautiful. Look at this picture window. There's a gate here, so this is your private yard. If you want it cut off from the rest of the home, and look out here, this is your own private area too, and this goes right out to the beautiful backyard there. His and hers closets. And then I can't wait for you to see the principal bathroom. Stay to the end. I know you think this tour is going to be over. It's not over, because we are going to see my favorite part of this home, which we haven't seen yet. There's just eye candy everywhere, isn't there? I love the floor to ceiling tile in the bathrooms. I don't know if you noticed that, but I noticed stuff like that and it's just striking. Okay, this is not, my favorite part's over here. Right now we're gonna go this way because we're gonna meander through your beautiful tropical garden here. Look at this, isn't this lovely? Look at this. Just a Garden of Eden back here. You can use this space in a million different ways that I can think of, but they're using it as a grill center and I love it. They've got their egg, they've got their grill station out here. And then I love it. Let's just go this way because I want you to see every angle. Look at that lovely yard, the fenced in yard. If you have pets, no problem there. This could be their space. Your own little sunning area here. You could make this your garden. Hard to beat. Okay, come on, come on, come on. I'm excited to show you my favorite part. And not only is this amazing, but it is so rare. In fact, it's gonna be my only home that has one of these that I have currently listed. My only luxury listing. Look at this. With its own sitting room, study, library, bar. I mean, if you need me, you'll find me here. Books and wine. I mean, does it get any better? I don't know. But I just think this is amazing. What a great space, fully AC'd. I love that they have their Coyote family here, so named for the home. This is just an amazing space. Leather chairs. You do not get this in Costa Rica, and I just think it's a lovely, and it gives more space. You know, this is your private adult space, you know, away from the rest of the family, away from the kids. Look up. I hope we can get all of this on camera. I know sometimes it's so hard to take in the views and the beauty of things in video, but we're certainly gonna try. It's like a lighthouse. I feel like I'm in a lighthouse here because you have you're literally that high, you're looking over the ocean, and it's just a really beautiful space. Nice rugs, nice furniture. I mean, don't you just want to get cozy with your loved one here, right? Watch a movie, read a good book. So I think this is wonderful. And then whenever you want the sunshine, you just pop right out here. Rain or shine, all of the space we just covered, you can absolutely, all the space we just covered is covered and you can actually use it. So this is Casa Coyote. I think it is a one-of-a-kind home. If this home speaks to you, please contact the team. Remember to like these videos and follow our channel so that you can see the latest and greatest coming to the market. Ciao for now and pura vida.